What terrible changes will happen to your body if you skip breakfast for a long time? After 8 hours of sleep, the food in your stomach has been completely digested. Although the stomach is empty, the secretion of gastric acid will not stop. The main component of gastric acid is hydrochloric acid, which is very corrosive and can decompose food very well. But because you don't eat breakfast, there is no food to consume the gastric acid, so the gastric mucosa will bear the gastric acid. There is a layer of mucus barrier on the gastric mucosa, which can prevent the corrosion of gastric juice. If you only skip breakfast occasionally, it generally won't cause any problems. But if you skip breakfast for a long time, the gastric mucosa is likely to be damaged. If it continues for a long time, it may cause stomach discomfort. Many people are short of time and have heavy tasks in the morning, so they often save time by skipping breakfast. Some people even think that skipping a meal can help you lose weight. But in fact, it is just the opposite, because skipping breakfast in the morning will result in insufficient energy supply. Lack of energy will affect the brain's thinking ability, memory decline, and difficulty concentrating. And the body will be more easily tired, affecting work or study efficiency. What's more terrible is that excessive hunger will make you overeat at lunch and eat more food. While damaging the stomach and intestines, the excess calories will also be converted into fat, making you more likely to gain weight. So good morning, you must eat a good breakfast.